Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power, unplug or turn off the breaker, because the control board is live and can short. Once done, use a non-contact tester to confirm 0 voltage. This avoids shocks and protects the new panel. Next, collect Torx T15/T20, a flat pry tool, needle nose pliers, and a multimeter. Having the replacement panel ready prevents troubleshooting delays. Finally, photograph the current connector layout and note temperature settings so you can restore operation exactly as it was. You'll remove the trim or screws securing the control housing next. Do this gently to avoid cracking plastic. Once exposed, pry the housing forward while supporting the assembly so internal parts don't fall into the cabinet. Then disconnect ribbon cables and wire harnesses. Press locks or pull tabs rather than yanking because connectors are fragile. If anything looks similar, label each harness or use your photos to keep track. Finally, unscrew the control module mounting screws and lift the old panel out straight to avoid bending pins. You install the new panel by aligning pins and seating it straight, then tighten mounting screws snugly but not over-tighten to avoid stripping threads. Reconnect ribbon and wire harnesses exactly as your photos showed. Clip locks should click. Restore power and run tests. Cycle lights, listen for the compressor, and change temperature settings to confirm the UI responds. If controls fail, check harness continuity with a multimeter and reseat connectors. One key troubleshooting tip: a single misaligned ribbon or blown board fuse is the most common cause of non-responsive panels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.